So as our company celebrates 16 years this year, we're celebrating 14 years of having a Kit Club. So the Kit Club has evolved over the years thanks to the suggestions and comments from all of our members. And now we have hundreds and hundreds of members that have collectively brought their ideas. And here's what's in store for 2024. So our Kit Club is called the Inner Circle Kit Club. You can find that on our website, and we'll show you at the end of this video how to exactly find that membership and how to find the products that I'm going to refer to. Our Kit Club is $11.99 a month, and that is a membership fee. Now that membership fee does get you a lot of things. So the big thing is it's going to get you free shipping on every single order. So oftentimes within one order, you've already saved money with that membership fee. You can place as many orders as you would like during the month. So it's always free shipping. It doesn't matter if you're ordering one thing, if you're ordering a dozen things. Every single order is free shipping. Also, that $11.99 gets you a free title die cut every month. So that is predetermined. That automatically will come in your order. No need to do anything at all. That automatically comes with your order. With the Inner Circle Kit Club orders, we hold all of your orders, and those orders are placed until the 25th of every month. Then starting on the 26th, we're going to compile all of those orders and ship them to you all together. So as members, you will receive one shipment every month with all of those orders that you have placed throughout the month. For 2024, we also offer exclusive products that are only available to our members. So you can only see the purchase button on these particular products if you're an Inner Circle Kit Club member. So this is the free title die cut for January 2024. So this is what automatically comes in your order. No need to do anything. We know to automatically ship it. You can purchase additional ones of these if you're interested. I know some do 2 or 3 albums for multiple children or multiple family members. So if you would like more than one of these, you are welcome to order additional. And we do have that available exclusively on our website for the members. So this is for January. Also, per your suggestion, we have now created a supplement for that title die cut. So again, this automatically comes to you. New for 2024, we have added a supplement 12 by 12 spread that will go with that monthly title die cut. So this is the one for January. So you can see where we've used that title die cut there, and it will come with all of the additional pieces to turn this into a 2-page spread. So this 2-page spread is only $18.50. So it's a huge discount off our normal $26 kit. So you have already well saved over your $11.99 membership fee. So you are welcome to order this to go with your title die cut every month. Also, for 2024, we are bringing back what we call our monthly traditional page. So that is a spread, a 12 by 12 spread that is themed to that month. So this obviously is January's, and it's themed to New Year. It will be a 2-page spread every month. Part of that spread is currently out of production, but that traditional page kit is always 2 pages and always 12 by 12. Also for 2024, we will again release a 2-page spread for Disney. Now this again is in production, so this is just a color printout. It is a 2-page 12 by 12 spread that is full of dimension and product and all of that. I just wanted to show you what I was referring to. So this month, our 2-page Disney exclusive design is for Tron. So we will always have those 3 spreads available to you every single month. So we'll have the Disney spread, we'll have the traditional spread themed to the month, and then we will have that general themed spread that will go with your title die cut. Also new this year, we are going to release a Disney title die cut every single month. So again, this is just a printout as it's out in production right now. But this is the one for January, themed to Adventureland. So you can purchase just that title die cut, or you can purchase it as the title die cut with these 5 coordinating pattern papers. That way they're made to coordinate with that title die cut, and you can turn that into a single page, a 2-page spread, an 8x8 or 12x12, whatever fits your scrapbooking. So all of that is available only to members. So every month, you are welcome to purchase one of them, 2 of them, all of them. That is totally up to you. So, one month you can say, hey, I love the New Year's spread, and I'm going to order this for this month. And then next year decide, hey, I want the Disney spread. That is totally up to you, because we don't auto ship any product with our Inner Circle Kit Club. So you're going to go online each month and place those orders, and then we're going to ship that to you. So there's no minimum requirement. There's no maximum requirement. We wanted it to be budget friendly. So we wanted to make sure we have some really options that will fit everyone's budget with that Inner Circle Kit Club. So again, we don't auto ship any product. We want to make sure that you're getting exactly what you want. So we offer those exclusives at a really deep discount as a special bonus for the members. So our 2-page spreads for the traditional and for our Disney are $22.50. That 2-page spread that's going to supplement that free title die cut is only $18.50 each time. And if you purchase the Disney title die cut with the 5 coordinating papers, that's only $12.99 a month. So again, we wanted to make sure it's budget friendly for all of those Inner Circle Kit Club members. In addition to all of that, you also get 25% off all of My Colors cardstock. So 25% discount, and that's automatic. No need to put in a coupon code. It's automatically discounted for our Inner Circle Kit Club members. We also do special things like special sales throughout the year. The big ones are what we call the sample sales. So all of the samples that I have created throughout the year that we turn into kits, we sell all of those samples to our Inner Circle Kit Club members, and we do that 2 or 3 times a year on a special day. Again, only available to members. New this year, we have decided to add some special exclusive kits during that sample sale. So when we create kits, there's obviously excess pattern paper once all of those kits are complete. So we're going to take all of that excess paper and we're going to create exclusive kits for that sample sale. So we might only be able to create 5 kits of that design. Maybe we'll be able to create 30 kits of that design. It will always depend on how much paper is available. But again, that's also available only to our Inner Circle Kit Club members. So it is a little different. You're always welcome to reach out with questions. If you want to know how to join our Inner Circle Kit Club, we're going to show you a little video on how to do that. If you're already a member, we're going to show you how to find the exclusives for the month on our website. Check it out. To join our Kit Club, the first thing you want to do is make sure you're logged in to our website. It's very important to click that login and make sure it says welcome in your name. We offer 2 different ways to join the membership. They are the same cost. It just depends if you want to prepay for either 6 months or 12 months, or if you prefer to pay the $11.99 on the first of every month until you tell it to stop. So they're both the same cost. It just depends on how you want to pay. You can also find it by going to Shop and then the Kit Club and Inner Circle Kit Clubs. To find the monthly designs, when you go to our website, always make sure you log in first. Click that login, make sure it says welcome your name. Click the tab that says Kit Clubs, and that will give you the monthly shipping information to let you know when orders are due, when they're going to ship. It will also show you all of the designs that are exclusive for that particular month. If you click on a particular design, it will take you to that purchase button. Again, the purchase button will only be visible if you are logged in. You can also find them by clicking Shop, then Kit Clubs, then Exclusive Design. All of the new ones for the month will be listed first. Then all of the extra ones from previous months will be listed. You'll notice the ones that are new for the month because they'll have that double asterisk in front of the name. You can select the page kit or the additional cardstock. Make sure you know which selection you're making for each design.